Hello everyone. In previous video we discussed about second module of computer application subject is operating system. Your second module is end. Today we are discussing about the third module, basics of programming. Means this semester you have a programming language, C programming. In that we will study today basics of programming. Means how we write down the program before writing the code of the programming. What are the steps we follow to write the program, we will discuss today. See here, as you see on the screen, program means what? A program can be defined as group of well defined sequential instruction which perform certain tasks according to the data and produce meaningful result. Means it is a set of some instruction that we can follow. According to that instruction we work. For example, certain tasks according to the data, there are some data, according to that data we produce the meaningful result. A process of writing a program is called as a programming. The process of writing the code means coding, that is called as a programming. Then programmer means what? The person who is writing the program, that person is called as a programmer. Here there are some steps to solve any particular problems. Steps involving in problem solving. Problem solving by computer involves the following steps. If you want to solve any particular program using the computers, we should follow these all steps. Using these all steps we write down the program on the computer. See here, first one is problem definition. Problem definition means what? If you want to solve any particular problem, we should know the first problem definition. Problem definition, this is the first steps in solving the problem using computer. The person who is solving the problem, he should understand the problem thoroughly. Means he should know what are the inputs given and what has to be find out. Means what has to be find out the result according to that data. Means whatever input you have accepted now, according to that input what has to be find out. Means the person who is solving the problem, he should know the all definition of the problem. Then second one is analysis. Analysis means what? Analysis, the given problem must be analyzed before solving the problem. Means that person should analyze that problem, means finding out what you know about the situation. Means what are the input has given and what has to be performed. That is called as a analyze the problem. Then third one is design. Design means what? Before executing the program, we should design that problem properly. See here, design the problem step by step, how it will accept the inputs and how it will perform. Means what are the input has given, what has to be performed and what are the outputs we should give, computer should give to the user. That is design according to that program step by steps. Then fourth one is coding. Coding means what? A program is a set of instruction to solve any particular problem by computer. The actual process of writing the program is called as a coding. Means the actual code, means how computer can perform that step by steps, how it will find out the result. According to that we should write the step by step coding, that is called as a programming coding. The process of writing the program is called as a coding. Then fifth one is running the program. After finishing your coding, means after completion of the writing of coding, we should run the program on the computer. The program can be run on the CPU after writing of program is done. Means whatever code you have written, run on the computer, computer, it has some steps. We'll see later one by one. There are some steps to running the program. We will discuss later in detail. Then next one is debugging. Debugging means what? What is the meaning of word debugging? Debugging means detecting or finding the errors and correcting that errors. Means if you run your code on computer, it will find the mistakes. That is called as a finding or detecting the errors. That is called as a debugging, and correct that errors. The process of finding and correcting the errors in the program is called debugging. Generally, there are three types of errors: syntax error, then logical error, and runtime error. We will discuss later in detail. Then seventh one is testing. Testing means whatever input you have given, it will perform correctly or no. After giving the inputs to the computer, it will process that inputs. It will find the result. Means whatever result computer has find out, that result is correct or no. That test that result. Means it will checking the result, whatever inputs you have given the correct inputs or no. It will process, means computer has given correct result or no. That is checking of that is called as a testing of the program. Then eighth one is documentation. Documentation means what? A brief explanatory note on the program is called as a comment. We should write the comment for the program. There are two types of documentation: internal documentation and external documentation. We will learn in detail in next video. These all are 8 steps we follow to write any particular program. Means if you want to solve any particular program, we should follow these all 8 steps. We should write the code of the program using these steps. Following these steps, we can write down the coding of the program. First, we should know the problem definition. Means what is the exact definition of the problem. Then analyze that definition. Means what are the input has given and what has to be performed. And design means design that problem step by step. Means how it will work on the computer. Design according to that. Then writing the coding means write the instructions. Means how that problem will perform step by step. It is called as a designing the program. Then coding, write the code of the program. Means how it will work step by step. After one step is finishing, next step what comes. Then write down the coding. Then running the program. After writing the coding of the program, run on the computer. It will run on the computer. Then debugging. If you run your program on the computer, it will find the errors. Means find the mistakes. Then finding that mistakes and correcting that mistakes is called as a debugging. Then testing means after running the program, after correcting the errors, it will test your program. Means whatever input you have given, it is correct or no. What the computer has given the output, it's correct or no, it will test. Means that is called as a testing of the program. Then next last part of the problem solving is documentation. Then after these all steps is done, then last part is documentation. Prepare the documentation of that program. There are two types of documentation: internal documentation and external documentation. We will discuss these all 8 steps in detail in next video.